The Association of African American Financial Advisors is working to address the needs and the concerns of African American financial professionals. This year, the organization is celebrating its 25th anniversary with some new initiatives. For more on this, I want to send things down to NYSE content creator Ashley Mastronardi, who's standing by on the trading floor with more. Ashley, good morning.
That's right, Kristen. The organization, also known as Quad A, has some exciting events coming up with NYSE-listed JP Morgan Wealth Management and Wells Fargo. Joining me now to share more is Sheena Gray. She's the CEO of the Association of African American Financial Advisors. Sheena, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
So tell us, what is the mission of Quad A and what does it mean to be celebrating 25 years?
Sure. So Quad A is the Association of African American Financial Advisors, and we exist to advocate and support for Black financial advisors. So what's so important about the 25th year is legacy. I think about our founder, Mr. LeCount Davis. He founded this organization as the first Black CFP. So we're honored to be here at the New York Stock Exchange honoring his legacy.
And what type of services does Quad A provide for its members?
Sure. So our main focus is to ensure that there's representation in this industry. And we also want to make sure that the next generation is equipped to be able to handle the next generation of wealth.
All right, and February is Black History Month. Does it feel especially timely for you to be sharing this message on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange?
Absolutely. I think it's more fitting for us to be back here because just last year we sat right up there at the New York Stock Exchange and rang the bell, and it was probably the most incredible experience that I've ever had, and for our members. We were able to bring 45 Black leaders and advisors to the New York Stock Exchange, and we made history. So it's very fitting for us to be back in the same place.
What is Quad A doing to ensure that the wealth gap is narrowing?
So I think what I'm most excited about is that we are thinking about the next generation. So we're working across the board with HBCUs nationally, and we're making sure that we're equipping financial advisors very early on in their careers. So right now we have about 4 cohorts where we're preparing advisors with SIE prep, and we're helping them become the next top talent for our partner firms.
And what is the importance of having a financial advisor?
It's so important. I mean, I wish I can just shout that to the rooftops because proper planning will definitely help any family meet their financial goals.
And you have 3,100 members, 8,000 in your network. What is the feedback that you're getting from your membership?
Our members are so excited right now of where we are and where we're going. Again, 25 years is just the beginning for Quad A. We are movers and shakers in this industry. Our members are advisors at our top financial firms, and they are committed to helping us make the impact to continue to increase representation in this industry.
And I understand you have some exciting events coming up with NYSE-listed Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Wealth Management. Can you share the details?
Absolutely. Think cocktails, conversations, Black advisors, and Black excellence, right? So we'll be doing a co-branded event with JP Morgan Wealth Management in Dallas in a few weeks. And those events are tailored toward our members and our non-members, right? So students who want to go into the wealth management industry and advisors who want to learn more about our partner firms. And then we're not going to just stop there. We probably host about 30 a year, and then we'll be in LA with our partners at Wells Fargo in early March. So I hope to see you there.
So what is next for Quad A?
So bigger and better, right? So right now we're at 3,000 members. I would love to double that by next year, right? So we would love to continue to make impact on Capitol Hill and with our partner firms by increasing representation.
And do members ever reflect back to the significance of being part of an organization like this, and what are some of the stories you've heard?
So one story in particular is when we were here at the New York Stock Exchange, I had an advisor say, Sheena, I've been an advisor 30 plus years. I have dreamed of being on the New York Stock Exchange. Your organization allowed me to have that access and that opportunity. I mean, literally, he was in tears. He was just so grateful for the experience. And I can't say enough how many advisors say that to me after coming to our sold out events. They didn't even know that we had this many Black advisors who were doing the work and making impact for their clients.
And what does it mean for you to be the chief executive officer of an organization like this? Like, what personally, what does that mean?
It's inspiring. It's inspiring for my daughters to see this. It's inspiring for my colleagues, my friends. I mean, I feel like I made it, if you will, right? I mean, to be at a time like this, leading an organization that is just making so much impactful change on Capitol Hill, and with some of the major partner firms, it doesn't even seem real at times.
All right, Sheena Gray, CEO of Quad A, thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me.